Good morning. This is Anjali. I am from 9th standard ZPHS Manajpet.
Good morning, this is Archana. I am from 9th standard ZPHS Manajpet.
Okay, Archana. I ask you tenses and combinations. You will tell me.
Okay, Anjali.
Simple present.
Subject plus V1 yes or yes, subject plus do does plus V1.
Present continuous.
Subject plus am is or plus verb form.
Simple past.
Subject plus V2, subject plus V plus V1.
Present perfect.
Subject plus have has plus V3.
Past continuous.
Subject plus was or plus verb form.
Simple future.
Subject plus shall be plus V1.
Future continuous.
Subject plus shall be will be plus verb form.
Future perfect.
Subject plus shall have will have plus V3.
Past perfect.
Subject plus had plus V3.
Past perfect continuous.
Subject plus had been plus verb form.
Present perfect.
Subject plus have has plus V3.
Present perfect continuous.
Subject plus have has been plus verb form.
Future perfect continuous.
Subject plus shall have been will have been plus verb form.
When.
Simple present, simple future.
When already.
Simple past, past perfect.
When.
Simple past, past continuous.
While.
Simple past, past continuous.
Very good. After.
Simple present, simple future.
Before.
Simple present, simple future.
After.
Simple past, past continuous.
Before.
Simple past, past. Simple past, past perfect.
If.
Subject plus V1 subject plus yes or yes, subject plus shall will can may plus verb form.
If.
Subject plus V2, subject plus this plus V1, subject plus should, would, could, might plus V1.
If.
Subject plus had plus V3, subject plus should, would, could, might plus have plus V3.